Hello, my name is Nina Dunn and I'm a Director of the Alternative Future Foundation. As part of Sydney Alternative Investment Week, I'm joined today by Adam Roberts from the Australian Ethical Growth Opportunities Fund. Adam, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, I'm going to ask you a series of quick questions just so investors get to know you and your strategy a little bit better. Let's get into it. Okay, Adam, talk us through the investment process or thesis behind the Australian Ethical Growth Opportunities Fund.
Sure. So at Australian Ethical, we're thematic investors, which means that we're investing in solutions to global problems. And we do that because we think that investing in the solutions will deliver outsized financial returns, and those businesses will have enduring terminal value and relevance in the future. We've got 5 key thematics, so decarbonisation, the circular economy, digitalisation, urbanisation, and changing demographics. That's our focus.
Oh, fantastic. So across those 5 channels or demographics, what type of assets will you be looking to invest into as you expand your private markets exposure?
Yeah, so every investment that we make needs to meet our ethical charter, so we need to have net positive outcomes, but of course financial returns as well. And we've been quite successful investing into data centres, renewables businesses, infrastructure services and technology businesses, aged care and recycling, and that's our core strategy. We'll keep on doing more of the same.
Fantastic. And with growing interest in private markets, how's Australian Ethical thinking about ways to give wholesale investors access to these opportunities?
Yeah, so institutional capital has been investing for many decades in the sector, but it's been a bit more challenging for wholesale capital to get access and to have structures that work for them. So our strategy has been sort of wholesale capital first. So our strategy has an open-ended semi-liquid fund, it has access to a big portfolio of underlying assets across different thematics and different sponsors. So you're trying to be sort of a one-stop shop when it comes to a portfolio for first-time investors.
Fantastic. Well, tell me about it. How did you first get started in the investment industry and what drew you to impact investing?
Yeah, so I think my dad was a CIO of a super fund, and so we sort of had that kind of discussion around the table growing up. So that sort of put me in the industry. But I've relished the opportunity in the last few years to be able to be focused on finance, but at the same time, focused on making impactful investments as well.
It's kind of the best of both worlds, isn't it?
Exactly.
It's great. Okay, let's finish with something fun. If your private market strategy was a natural element, sun, wind, ocean, or the earth, what would it be and why?
Let's say the ocean. I'd say our strategy is deliberately fluid to look to work across all of the thematics that we're in, and so that's probably the closest to the elements that you've got.
Nice analogy. Okay, well thank you Adam so much for joining us today. If you would like to find out more about Sydney Alternative Investment Week, please visit sidalts.com.au.